You have a dog house. All the bug them look different a country, guys.
People look, the centipede, the orange and black, never been seen before.
That is cool though.
And the mosquito them persistent enough. I have discovered land. This whole place has been discovered by me. Feast your eyes on the hillside. This is a pear tree, guys. Big and nice. But you know what kind of tree this look like bush.
A bear snail up here, some see now.
Yeah,
Bear snail
I forgot how which tree this is.
Them something a tree, a fruit tree, if you said.
Yeah, see tough.
That was his that, an orange?
Oh yeah.
Like an orange tree.
Yes, this looks like an orange tree.
Little pebbles them the on it.
I don't know which tree this. But we don't say this is an orange tree.
So
if you place never bush up some, I'm never afraid of courage mode. I go look some.
what the hell is courage?
Yeah, we find out. So
I don't want to find out.
If me see one, me show you. People Shadeka don't know what is courage.
If or not talk, so we expect it.
Alright people, so you know a country with there, and you know when gas done, you know, so you come at the wood fire or you use coal. I suspect you see a coal in the bag there. Yeah, you use wood fire. See me I say and don't cook your pot. Roast your breadfruit, you know, them little thing there.
You catch up.
Was this a outhouse there?
That one there, yeah.
Okay, this was a outhouse. And people,
It's just outside bathroom, a proper bathroom.
people look what I book up randomly. Fish in there, you know.
The hell?
No,
It's
can't see them but some spider, but there are fishes.
Oh
in
my
this.
gosh, they are.
Fishes are in this water.
You see right there, so
Yeah, man, see
you
them
can
there?
zoom in.
Can't see them
Can't see
murky.
them murky.
But yeah, as I was saying, this was an outdoor bathroom. This a wood fire if your gas done, you know. Yeah man, a shelter there if you make sure say if rain fall and your pot a cook you know get wet. And this was our next kitchen. So before the house was fully developed, right Shadeka?
No, you're talking no. You're in a bit like a film from this.
I don't
And just the
know.
one next kitchen for you know all the people in the house.
Oh, and you
best
want a next space?
Yeah.
Okay. The greenery look nice though.
Look over here, so opposite just go up to climb it like some maroon days, man. And blow. You're running from a slave master.
People just looking at this with more roll back down so.
Roll back down.
Like it just look high. Look there man. It's a hillside, you know people. You see it?
Okay, go up.
Wonder what they're up there. Why me I show the top of the tree, girl?
Damn. Look how high that is. Look at brick over there, so with rock pan rock. Yes, so that's beautiful. Me need help down, brother. Let's
Young
say
slippers slidey, you know, me shouldn't tap.
Okay.
I don't know if you accept help. Because me say, alright, Shadeka slippers, but I'm slidey, so she can slide.
Alright. Watch this one. You're so evil.
And we are going around so now people go check out the place from a different angle. I don't know what this was for. Shadeka, you know what this was for?
A satellite?
I don't know.
I don't know what to do. Show me the history and the mysteries. I was say them no come. Maybe can walk this.
See next side of the hill.
It's crazy.
So a lime tree then.
Already they're gonna go pick lime. I don't know if it's wise for me to go up there since I'm in these.
Yeah, we slide and pop your back slide.
So I shall keep my backside quiet.
Yes, when the merch come out, crocs. You will get one. The line a big door.
Yes, you I can't see them from here, so look on them.
Orange there.
Lovely. Whoa. I'll arrange them for true. And then that's the front of the yard. Carry right back.
I can pick more, but I make them stay.
We can pick them tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or later.
It's a miniature tree, man. Look a smaller one.
Oh, if you root up?
Yeah. That's just what I want.
Yeah, mom, because it's hard to catch from the seeds because we've been trying to catch them, guys.
Because later I can come back home to. Now drop them lions again. Upon this. Upon this. Nice line.
Yeah, she had so much more dogs, so this is one of the dog house them.
I think them called Lakatan banana. The little stubby one then.
Oh,
Eater.
got so much bananas.
Have you ever snail up on the tree?
I know there's so much snails around here. Somebody tangerine them right, man, or you
See any for see them?
know?
You come here, so me say
Yeah, but let's just see the one. Never really see over the side here.
Yes, you'll be right tangerine.
Apparently there's a light tree here.
Right, let's show the side of the banana. See it, it's a light tree. Look right right over the banana leaf. You see the light tree there, so.
Yes, at two of them?
And one, but it just spread out like that. No, sir.
I know, I don't see it.
You know me, I look what I was
I don't see it.
You said, see, let's cut the banana. Look how it goes.
I don't miss it.
See the light tree. See the light tree right in front of
Okay. Look how my tree. I had a tree there.
No, sir. And the light.
That's where you can see.
But look, point. How it is? I want to tree this.
A cherry, I know cherry this is we not call the mountain guava, the little soft one then.
No, some
Yeah,
never
see, it look like guava. But
Yeah, man. I did
You can't eat?
Yeah, man.
So one that's a Shadeka.
But mine, me no know, we have to look because me
So
no
one
know.
down at the bottom in the area.
But the red one.
Yeah.
this?
Right
Yes,
one,
sir.
them
No, go to that side there, sir.
Which one? Where's
See
that
down the
one?
very bottom.
Right here, sir.
No, look. Yes.
Oh, over that side there. You can pass?
Can't plant it.
Right this there.
Yes, I mean to can plant it.
That
That the one have worm.
I see trying to bring the plant.
Paula,
So we are moving.
this a one hit. Look like you can bite part of it. Look if it any worm, did you? Because you say.
Okay, yes.
One next one,
Go
yeah.
back to choose time.
Get back one.
I can this?
Little leaf like. With the caribou point video.
One up at the top there, sir.
Mom, but no from tangerine over there, so mommy. Look how them ripe right there, sir.
The tree over there, so you better you have to pick it after this one.
No, man. That's a tangerine, eh?
That's tangerine, this
Is that
too.
tangerine?
Yeah, no
Oh, that is them
mangerine.
talk about mangerine.
Of course, we did mangerine tree them up at the hill, a whole lot of them.
I could have sworn him tell me say the mangerine
A
tree.
tangerine this, and tangerine that.
Yeah, but no, so no. If there was one ripe one up there, so more rain never find stick this.
The right one, the obvious one.
Me? But I forgot to change now. Me. Me.
But the child of the right one.
I'm not gonna come. I'm gonna come up here.
From right here, sir. From this tree.
Grow some more line.
Yeah, them no man, the mosquito in my ears are whisper. No, sir, come Orion. I don't want to hear what they want to tell me.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The Russian land. Something done. Chip puppy. I'm coming out of the house. Oh God, the rain.
Nobody go there, sir. Come here, sir. Come here. Come here. Shh.
No.
I didn't catch it. Come, puppy. Come on, leave my backside, you see.
You have a dog house. You have him dog house.
About 3 houses.
There's literally 3 empty houses. Yeah, but
Boy, people, only when I come to the country, I can see them something here. Dinner is being cooked as breakfast come off of the fire. It's now 11:25.
and this put on the stove from about at least minutes to 11 from after 10.
And dinner start cook. So you know, so by 12 o'clock, the little rice and peas
Curry chicken.
curry chicken will be consumed.
It's crazy how early dinner make. Yo, I'll forget also.
I don't wanna go home.
Yeah, you see people whenever they joke who stay.
The thing up, people just sit back and relax and go and enjoy the video. If you
I
make
hope
it
you're
this,
enjoying it, yeah.
if you make it this far in the video, just like it, no man.
Give some
If you're
thumbs
new
up,
around here, subscribe, no man.
and tell people about our Shadeka. We do some nice thing over here. We have a vlogs, we have a challenges, we lifestyle content. I hope you enjoy
We do
it.
a few house hunting here and there.
That's a part of lifestyle,
Yeah.
I guess. Well, house hunting, some people do it differently, so I understand why you say it that way, yeah.
Yeah guys, so sit back and relax and enjoy the video.
Alright, thank you guys for your support. Catch you in the next clips.
Go on. I'd go with them. Alright, so Shadeka see her favorite fruit, people. So she have braved the bushes.
Oh, yes.
The biggest one she said. Shadeka.
It covered.
The biggest one them Shadeka look for. See someone over in the banana they say no Shadeka.
Yeah.
Get them.
I haven't been recording at all. I didn't know. You just gave it to me. So we're currently at my I call it my auntie's first son's house. And he has a true plum tree, my favorite thing in the world. So I'm gonna pick and I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna be merry. You see a dog? Yo, we're in the rain, guys. Picking Drew plum. Good morning. Mommy get ready. Look how much tangerine. Yeah, man, pick up if we do morning pickings before we leave today. Good morning, people. Yeah, it's noisy. Yeah, the grass is being cut, but today is our final day here, our final hours today. So we're getting an early morning start on our things, because we still have places to go before we leave. Yeah, the lawn's being mowed. Alright, so the lime tree dirt is there. Oh, you need, yeah, put some more lime, then you get the knife.
I mean, need the knife and brush. It's another tree where we can take, or you just a branch where we can really.
So get the knife from now.
Listen, man. If I deliver Francis, you see, escargot.
There's so much news about the place.
Escargot.
Such an empty one right here, so.
A small one.
Chimp and pig and out and chill.
A small one.
Okay. Ow. There's a baby one. He's moving. In the hills of Manchester. The snails. So, we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Going through the sky. I don't want no copyright.
Actually have holy.
Yes,
Yes.
people, so this is the coffee plant. See it, yeah?
Strangely enough.
Strange enough, it don't smell like coffee. Unless I can't eat one. I gotta taste one.
No.
I am going to taste.
Here.
See, all this siblange,
Red lemon.
lemon,
What do you call it? Bugger lemon.
grapefruit,
And Shadeka.
and there's a bees. Oh, in there. In there. Go on by your business, sir.
Guys, look at all the stuff that we have to carry down. Like another bag of juice more. When that's, you guys would have saw me picked already. Some avocado, chocha, lime, tangerine. So those some of the things them. I will even get some plants, some plants up back with it. But yeah, guys. Okay, guys. So here's some more of the things that we got. So some of the potted some of the plants that we're going to pot. We will get banana. We get avocado. Let me see. We get sugar cane. I'm sure the avocado. Avocado. I don't remember what this is called, but it's supposed to use for like coloring meat and them stuff there. True plum and everything in there. We got a lot of stuff. Alright guys, so the week's back now, and that means I'm heading to my house or home. We're heading back home. So we're gonna just try to head home. It's not a far drive. So yeah guys, it was a very good trip, honestly. I don't know how much time I come country at the first night I fall in love with
German! That be nice, no, man.
I don't mean I say. But yeah guys, it's been a while since I've been coming to country since I was a child. And honestly, this is like one of the best trips since
German and rule, yes.
one of the best trips since coming here, honestly. Honestly, because the house big at the first I actually ever go so deep in the land and the forest and the I first never I tour the house this well.
I mean, come here, come make sure tour it, you know, guys.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, so we had a plan to kind of show the journey back, and we had to make some stops at some of the popular, food stop places. But I don't know if time is going to allow it or if they're even going to be there. But this was a good weekend. I enjoyed it very, very much. Seeing family and getting acquainted. It was my first time meeting them. Oh my gosh, it went so well though. Like, yeah.
Yeah, they're very warm and welcoming.
Mm-hmm.
Them nice people, them nice.
Yes, had some good talks and everything. It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you enjoyed it. Ensure that you thumbs up this video. Ensure that you liked it. Ensure that you made it to the end and comment #CountryLife. I have no idea. None of them have little jerk pork or things like jerk chicken. But them have little jerk chicken and them stuff there. The lady not come to me with their damn something them. You never been here before? No. I saw them running down already. Them no one get a choice. But I saw them love run down people.
Sorry.
Now let's go.
I'm out. I'm out and about.
Yes, people, here it is, here it is. Look at the chicken, the pork, and serve as it. How is it, mommy? Nice? Mm-hmm. I'm not video here.
So you gotta take it.
You want to taste it, no?
Oh, you're the best man, you know. The pepper.
Pepper. Alright, so people, we're back on the road and Shadeka is now having. She tell me fish, I don't know why she tell me fish. But she's now eating the swine.